Alright, so I got it on my Max GoPro stick here, GoPro Max stick, selfie stick, and I got it on the shortest setting right now. Got my hand at the bottom now, and just testing it out. I'm gonna walk down to the waterfall that's near my house, see how it takes video through there. I'm gonna hold it up like this with that at the shortest point. You want to put it on the ground. This is the shortest point. And see how she does. I'm gonna bring it to the tallest point now. We're at the tallest setting now. I think it's pretty high. 22 inches is what they say it is. I don't know if I could hold it like kind of in my pocket. And the stick is wobbling a pretty good bit right now. Just kind of hide this stick even more, because I know a lot of times it looks like I'm holding something and you just can't see it. I don't know if there's a way of kind of holding your hand open to kind of make it look like you ain't holding nothing. I know it's probably stitching right there also, but I don't know if you could probably, like I said, try to put your hand in your pocket while you're holding it. Maybe that would help with the stitch there. Or if it looks better, if it's just better if you just hold it like this, just walk normal. Hold it up very far. Hold it out very far. Arm fully extended out. Extend it on the ground. And coming back up. We're almost to the waterfall. I know that's what y'all down to see. Like, the waterfall near your house. Man, that must be awesome. Well, it's not the biggest waterfall, but hey, it's nice to have in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day outside, clear blue sky, not a single cloud I don't see. And spring is here finally. We've been going from hot to cold here lately. Feels great today. So I'm excited to have the warmer weather back. That colder, I like cold weather most of the time, because I'm a hot-natured person, so I hate being hot. I don't think I could make it like in California or Texas or Florida. But it can get hot in the Carolinas. It's very humid. You can't breathe, it feels like. You know, on the West Coast it's all dry heat. I've never experienced dry heat, so I don't know how it feels. I know 118, 119 degrees don't sound good to me either, so I know that probably don't feel good either. At least you ain't got the humidity. But I guess it's a pick your poison kind of deal. You want super duper hot like it is in California, or do you want it hot but with humidity like it is in Carolina? All right, so we're coming up on the waterfall now. As you see it. Oh, someone lost a dog. Oh. I don't know if you can hear me over the waterfall very well. I have sound right now. crud in the water over there. Some kind of tire, tube. I don't know what that metal thing is sitting out of the water. Ain't that being done to the neighborhood. And there's a nice little stepping stool there. Hard to do with one hand. Snakes around here. This area is known for water moccasins and copperheads hanging out on the water. Foam going on down there. Spider web. Spider web taken out. Yeah. Take this baby back. See what we got as far as video wise. See how we look. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Nice little view there. It's really amazing out here. Flowers coming out on the tree there.